So we're gonna do a carbon fiber unboxing for a CBR600. We already took this piece out. This carbon fiber is so nice. It's a race fairings, that's why I don't have headlights.
Alright, let's see what we got next. This is the big box right here with everything. Alright. Let's get this one out first.
Well, the bottom piece.
Oh yeah.
This is some nice carbon fiber. The detail in this.
And where did this ship from?
Italy.
All the way from Italy.
Oh.
Wow.
Gosh, this is so nice. Video doesn't even do the detail on this.
And what piece is this again? This is the bottom and the side, right?
Yeah, the bottom and the side of it.
Next piece looks like the tank cover.
Gas tank cover.
Yep.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh yeah. Bro, I can't wait to get this on the bike.
Seriously. This one looks so good. So I guess the next piece we're gonna do is the front tire cover, then the back. This is so nice.
It's so light too.
Light.
Like paper. Paper thin.
This carbon fiber is real. And it looks so good. Can't wait to see this bike when it's done.
Alright, here's the last piece, but the biggest piece, one of the biggest pieces. Alright.
Oh,
Got the seat on it. Oh yeah.
That looks nice.
Nice red stitching. Pretty comfortable seat actually.
Got the tail section on here. This carbon fiber is so nice.
This is definitely taking some major weight off the bike for real.
Definitely. The pictures on this bike, that looks so good. If y'all want to see this carbon fiber put on the bike, wait until the next video. Just like and subscribe. This thing's gonna be sick.